Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles underwater. The most direct and fundamental method involves simply exhaling air while submerged. This technique relies on basic principles of air displacement and buoyancy. We will explore how to achieve consistent and varied bubble formations using only your breath. Mastering this simple skill enhances your comfort and enjoyment in aquatic environments. To begin, take a full, deep breath of air before placing your face into the water. Once submerged, gently and slowly exhale through your mouth or nose. This controlled release of air will create distinct bubbles that rise to the surface. Experiment with the speed and pressure of your exhalation to observe how it affects the size and quantity of the bubbles produced. You can manipulate bubble characteristics by varying your exhalation. A gentle, steady breath produces smaller, numerous bubbles, while a stronger, quicker puff creates larger, fewer ones. Try using your tongue and lips to direct the airstream, forming rings or other shapes. Consistent practice in a shallow, safe environment will significantly improve your control and creativity. Always prioritize safety when practicing underwater bubble making. Ensure you are in a shallow, supervised area where you feel completely comfortable. Never push your limits regarding breath holding. Take frequent breaks to breathe normally. This simple technique is enjoyable and safe when practiced responsibly, allowing you to explore the fun of underwater exhalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.